Okay, Ann. Why do you like to be on camera so much?
Oh, because I just like your camera.
What do you want to talk about?
Backstroke.
What about the backstroke?
Auntie is good.
At the backstroke?
Yes.
Who taught her how to do the backstroke today?
Me.
Oh, you taught Auntie Em how to do the backstroke?
I want her to come back.
You want Auntie Em to come back?
Yeah.
All right. Well, why don't you look in the camera and talk to Auntie Em. Say hi, Auntie Em.
Hi, Auntie M.
What do you want to say to her?
I want you to come over all the time.
That's really sweet. Why do you want Auntie Em to come over all the time?
Because she has fun with me.
Oh, because she has fun with you. Well, I think you guys had a pretty good time today, huh?
Okay.
What do you want to say to Auntie Em?
I love you. See you later. See you later, alligator.
In a wild crocodile.
See you later, crocodile monkey. Okay.